Hello guys, welcome to my channel Techmon.in. This is another video for the playlist short and simple. In this part we are going to learn how to apply when function in Pyspark. So all the required libraries have been imported. I've created Spark session here and then I've loaded for this particular exercise, not to wind it up, but Iris dataset. Okay, so Iris dataset has 5 columns: sepal length, sepal width, petal length, petal width, and class. So class contains 3 values: Iris-setosa, Iris-versicolor, and Iris-virginica. So what is I'm quickly talking about what is sepal length, what is sepal and petal. So I found this amazing pic from pedia.com. So as you can see here, these are our petal sepal, right? So petal is the actual petal of the flower, right? And sepal, as you can see, is the base of the flower, right? So that's so for to classify the iris, iris has multiple types of iris. There are setosa, versicolor and virginica. So we are going to classify them based on these features. Okay, so I found this amazing scatter plot between petal length and petal width on datacamp, this machine learning in our article. So as you can see here, we can clearly see some distinction for, as you can see, petal length and petal width of Iris-setosa is very less. It is under, you know uh, petal length is under 2 centimeter and uh, width is under zero point 0.6. Similarly, for Iris-versicolor, as you can see here, the petal length start from 3 and goes up to kind of 5 centimeter. And similarly for width, it is 1 to point 1.6. Okay, so that's and rest is for Virginica. So we are not going to write any machine learning model here. We are just going to use these values to create or predict our uh, flower type. Okay, so let me pick this data set here, which is data. So I'm going to create a new column here. Okay, with column, the first parameter is the name of the new column. So I'm just write predicted label. That's the name of the column. And now for the values, we are using these two, petal width and petal length. So f dot when, I'm going to write the conditions here. So for first condition is for Iris-setosa, f dot column. Which column we are going to look at? Petal length. Petal length. If when is like if when petal length is less than equal to, let's say, zero point 0.2, and uh, another condition is petal width. F dot call petal width is less than equal to 0.6. Okay, when function takes in two values. First is the condition, which we have already created here, separated, and this symbol is for and. So both must meet, and then only it will go and put this. So second parameter is the value to put it there. Okay, we cannot write pass values as string because it is expects a column from us. So since we don't have a column values in a column, what we are going to do, we are going to create a dummy column with value setosa in it. So what it does, it creates a dummy column and all the records in that dummy column will contain value Iris-setosa. So when this condition meet, that is petal length less than equal to 2 and width less than equal to 0.6, in this column predicted label we are going to fill the value Iris-setosa. But as we know, there are other data points as well. If this condition is not met, what we are going to do, we are going to run into another, we are going to write another when condition, which will look similar to this. Since this condition, it will go to this when condition only when upper one is, failed. So we can directly use the values here. I'm going to take a petal length less than equal to 5 and width less than equal to 0.6. So petal length less than equal to 0.5 and it is 1.6. Then we are going to fill this one is versicolor. So let me double check here. Versicolor. Versicolor. Okay. And now when these flower the type of the flower is neither setosa nor versicolor, by default it will be of third type, which is virginica, right? So I'm not going to repeat the condition. Instead, I'm going to give a default value, which is otherwise, and it takes in only one single parameter, which is of column type, which is the value to fill in this particular column. So we are directly going to write f dot let instead of iris. Third one is Iris-virginica. Okay, so that's it. That's all. Now we have created a column. We are going to show results. Let me print out by truncate false so that none of the values get truncated. Uh, as you can see, this is the actual class label we had in the dataset. And let me pull out more records because none of the versicolor or virginica records has been pulled. So now I will show 100 records and none of the column values will be truncated. So yeah, as you can see, the class and predicted values are same. I think for most of the cases it will be same. Versicolor, as you can see here, we predicted them quite good, but as you can see here, there is a value. It actually was versicolor, but by the simple rule, we got virginica. So I think the reason could be, as you can see here, here these two clusters are not distinctive. Basically, there is some overlap between these cluster. So definitely, because of it, uh, it got bad results, but rest looks good, right? In total, this dataset contains 150 records. If I remember correctly, we already saw the results for versicolor and setosa. Let me also show you for virginica. I think I spelled it wrongly, but yeah, it will be fine. You know what it means, okay? Virginica. So next time it will be okay. So simple win condition. That's how we can do it. So that's all for this lecture here. That's all. Hope you really liking my videos, finding it valuable. Please subscribe to my channel and also like my uh, videos. And also, if you think they're very valuable to others, please share it with your friends. Thank you. See you next time. Bye bye.